Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT for Excel formula generation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply open your ChatGPT as well as your Excel. So once you open it, you need to craft your prompt first, as in like you need to write an Excel formula to find the average of numbers in column D or something very specific about it. So you need to write this and clearly describe the prompt in your ChatGPT. After you have done this, ChatGPT will provide a formula, often with exact explanations. Now, simply copy the formula from ChatGPT and paste it to the target cell in your Excel. So once you simply do it, you can simply now check the result in Excel and adjust your cell references if needed, or ask ChatGPT for modifications if that it's not quite true. So if you gotta do this, you can also use the fill handle to copy the formula down your column, and this is how you can use ChatGPT for Excel formula generation. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.